Hello, Iec Corner here again. I realized my last video turned out sideways. I apologize for that. So here we are again with the Compact Electra C8, looking a little different. You'll notice that the bumper of the machine is no longer stained. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to the rescue, and she's just looking absolutely brand new. Even cleaned the handle of it as well. So she's looking pretty good. So I'm sure you outside here. Here we are. Bumper is looking pretty new, and we got the badging held on with screws for now. Just want to give you guys a update of the Compact C8. Cleaned this part of the handle as well. Gotta do the old hose probably this weekend. So there should be Compact C8 with the bumper all white and clean. It's amazing what a little cleaning can do. As you can see, the decal is in excellent shape. No fading, nothing. The body is in great shape as well. There's a few nicks. The handle is just amazing. She's looking pretty good after her spot treatment. So we'll plug her in and give you guys a short demo of the vacuum here. My Compact Electra C8 1975, I think. And double check on my archives of information here. But this is a mid to early 70s vacuum. And just can't get the quality from a vintage in today's money unless you go with a Sebo or Miele. So our Miele line. Push her in with a cell phone. It's difficult. Here we can see the outside, the bumper looking absolutely amazing. As are the casters. The other side, just perfect shape. The pigtail here is new, and here as well. So we'll give her a go on this here rug. If I can get a connection attached with one hand. It'll prove it to be difficult. Here. I think that's in. Yes. Yes. Okay. We are ready. Clean with the compact. There she is, ready for the rug. Again, the machine is in excellent shape. And I put the bag in, and that's it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I did. Okay. Alright. Just checking. I can get this latch to close. We're clean. Does a great job of grooming the rug. Good agitation with the chevron brush roll. Automatic height adjustment. The button on the power head is a vent. Very quiet, no noise, no bearing noise, nothing that nature. Holds itself along very well. I'm not pushing. It's just the machine going along. You can see the power head is very strong. So there you have it, the compact with its new, well, not new, just clean bumper.